Okay, let's start recording. Give you guys my date and everything. I'll just let it sit there a minute. I know we're the 27th of June. Time's 8:25 p.m. So we're almost 8:30. 8:27 p.m. So right there, everybody. We're looking northwest. Change direction. Facing exactly east or west. Man, that's west. You guys see where the sun is. We'll go back that way. Northwest. Wow. So the 2 minute mark here, coming up 2 minute, we're facing west. Man, let's check this stuff out. We're only 92 feet up, everybody. Let's get it down to the horizon. Let's start back. Exactly northwest. I want to take it up at least a little while. Let's look down. Right now I'm at 98 feet, so let's go up higher. Gotta see. Okay. Trying to keep my view, everybody. We're right now 126 feet. I'm gonna take it higher than I've been. Moving at 4.3 mile an hour. We're right now 277 feet. So let's take the camera up. Wow, 277 feet. Okay, that's northwest, everybody. Well, wait. Northwest. Okay, let's go around. Let's start moving to the north. Wow. Stop it there. And hey, everybody, check out Nigel's view on things. He'll be in the description. I'll leave him in the description box. A lot of great sky watchers, great people. Okay, everybody, that's northeast. Also, check out Neil Benjamin's guys. I'll leave him in the description. Got some awesome stuff. Nigel just did a live stream about his capture with the blue object. next to the sun, and Nigel backs it up with where he caught it. And you see Benjamin caught it. It was at like about 3 o'clock position. When Nigel caught it, it was the 7 o'clock position. So you tell me. That's exactly east, my east sky. Now I'm at southeast. Now we're going back to the south. Man, directly south. Just wild. Southwest. Okay, everybody, that's directly west. I'm going to bring the craft down here pretty soon. That's my west sky. You can still see the smoke from the Canadian wildfires. Air quality bad, real bad. I'm wearing a mask as I'm flying my drone here. Okay, let's go back to the north. Ah, west. Right there, I'm exactly northwest, everybody. The sun's still going to move down to the right, so it's actually setting almost north. Now, our poles are shifting. Let's just do a quick scan here, and then I got to get off here, I think. Let's go back to the north, or let's go back to the west. I'm looking at my compass. I showed you guys I got a compass. That's exactly west. The blue up there. All the color down here. Okay, let's go. It's my southwest. I mean, directly south. I got to come down here a little bit.